Sometimes we lose, sometimes we make profit. But at the end, what is important is for you to have a blue figure. If you check this history, I lost some of these trades and the figures were very big, but the comeback is now sweet. I managed to get this $42 from V100 and $4 from Crash 1000. As you can see now, I am sitting on $39 profit, $40 profit now, which is the biggest comeback ever. So if I add these figures, you can see that I'm now close to the amount that I deposited. Because if I can add the $40, the $44 plus this $42, I can go to almost $86, which is closer to $116 that I deposited. So I am going to destroy this market. You can see it on M1. These were my entry points. You can see now. Let me go to H4. I am going to leave it and it is going to drop. It is going to drop and I'm going to keep on eating from this at $47 now. It is giving a free fall. This is how you do it. Yes, this is live account. For those who know, balance deposit and withdraw, $51 profit now. You can see it. It is going up. And let me show you my name. I am the guy, Ironman from Ironman Forex. Trading and making money is my theme. Trade and make money. Let me show you. This is Ironman. And as for the day, I am Ironman from Ironman Forex. Today is 29/03/2025. Do you have your account? If no, guys, let us all start trading. Today is Saturday, and on this broker, there's no weekend. You can trade on daily basis every day. You can trade even on holidays, 365 days. There is a lot in terms of reliability, in terms of everything. Transparency. This broker is good for you. And they are celebrating the 25th anniversary now, which was their birthday celebration for last year. So I'm going to leave this. It goes up and down. Don't worry about that. I'm going to leave it and it will give me the required amount that I'm looking for. I am going to add more trades on this trade until it gives me the figure that I'm looking for. This is it, guys. If you don't have account and you are not trading on Tarif platform, simply go to the description section of this video or on the bio, click it and then open your account. Follow the steps which are there and then you are good to go. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the videos. Give your comments so that we can move together. Thank you very much. Good time. Goodbye.